It's a little bit funny, this feeling inside. I know one of those can easily hide. I don't have much money, but if I did, I'd buy a big house with balcony. If I was a sculptor, but then again no, or a man who makes potion in a travel show, I know it's not much, but the best can do. My gift for my song, and this one's for you. And you can tell everybody this is a song. It may be quite simple, but now that it's done, I hope you don't mind, I hope you don't mind that I put down the walls. I wonder if life is while you're in the wall.